And yes, it happened again this year. I'm talking about the Samsung Unpacked event. Yes, and Samsung launched the much-awaited Samsung Galaxy S25 Series. And to tell us more about it, I'm joined in with Aditya Babbar, who's the Vice President, MX Business Samsung India. Welcome to the show, Aditya.
Thank you very much. First of all, we are very excited today. We have launched the new Galaxy S25 series in India. You know, this is a level up what we have done on our last year star performance, the Galaxy S24 series, which came with Galaxy AI. The thousands of people have changed behavior, the way they consume AI. Now, this one really starts a new era. First, with the new design, which is coming with the new S series. Second, you know, the way we have crafted the consumer needs into an AI solution is a testimony. Now imagine, you know, you want to search a restaurant and where you need the location also to go in, and you want it to be the pet friendly. Now there are three different inputs you are giving. One is a location, other is a restaurant, and third, you want it to be pet friendly. With Galaxy AI, you can do it in just one shot. Now that's a power. What's more, you know, it's exciting that it will come with 7 Indian languages, so you can interact in your native language and you can talk to the device and search about it. We have really changed the game with the camera. You know, we saw consumer behavior. जो consumer था वो click करते हैं picture, फिर उसे edit करते हैं और share करते हैं. So what we have done at the click, you know, it comes with a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor. We have really changed the way the nightography is being crafted. Now, you know, a real friction or a pain point for a creator is, you know, when you're recording something, there are a lot of noise. Now, what if you can erase the noise? Now that's really, you know, big and transformative. You know, as a consumer, for me, editing has been a very big problem. I can actually just prompt and edit 2 videos into one. So that's the transformation which is coming in, you know, camera. All the devices will come with Qualcomm processor. The base variant itself will start with the 12 GB RAM. So there's a huge delta up which has happened from last year on account of the specs also. But at the core of it, we have kept the security, you know, and we believe giving power back to the consumer. So, you know, the entire on-device security is where the computation is happening. It is not happening at the cloud. So it's the power at consumer hand. They can define what they want, how they want. Lastly, you know, we have been very conscious that how we use the material in the device, which is sustainable and is available for long term. Lastly, we have offered a lot of new consumer first offers. Any consumer who pre-book the Ultra will get a free memory upgrade from 256 GB to 512. And with the base variant, which is S25, we have introduced the 24 months EMI.
Galaxy AI के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. कुछ पहले जो गेम थी अब उसको एक लेवल और ऊपर लिया गया है, तो उसके बारे में हमें बताएं.
See, where we started with last year was that how do we change consumer behavior? How do we make people's life simpler? Now, the AI is embedded everywhere, right from the camera, where you have a photo assist, which assists you to take the best picture. Or, you know, take an example of Composer. You know, I can just tell my AI to write a message for me on congratulating everybody about the launch. Or, you know, interacting with the device. Now, the base thing starts with when you see something, you need to type it. Why do you need to type it? Why can't you circle it? And that's how we have changed the behavior, and it was very transformative. What we are doing now is a step up. You know, what we are doing is that you can really have your agent along with you. So when I say book my appointment with somebody and put it into my calendar, is a 2 tasks. One is book an appointment and put it. That's the transformative which is happening. You know, search something and send. The search itself has got location, have got comparison, and have got an action built in. So it is like a personal agent who is always with you and will do whatever you say.
Okay, talking about the touch points, you know, if we have to differentiate the major ones with the Samsung Galaxy S24 and now 25, what are the major different points if you talk about that?
First is design itself.
Yeah.
So we have recrafted the entire new design. Second, you know, it's a hardware feature. Third, the entire reval, what we are reimagining how the next level of true AI agent will work, are the 3. So again, I will say it is like everything which has been touched and retransformed into a new one.
Congrats on the launch.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
much.
Thanks.